All those design and sourcing changes mean the building with mass timber is pretty different.
Our construction workers here, they would go home at the end of the day and their wives would say, it doesn't even look like you were working today, you're so clean, and they loved it because with the timber, you're not working with all the silica dust from concrete and everything like that, you're just working with wood and you're really not cutting much, if at all, so you're going home clean.
Stuff like welding just doesn't happen in a wood building because it would be a fire hazard. So, screwdrivers become way more important.
We would have upwards of 64 16-inch screws. We were using just cordless battery-operated tools. We'd only get maybe 5 or 6 of those 16-inch screws per battery. We had a pretty substantial battery changing and charging operation on the working deck as we're installing these screws. So we would have to field install roughly 7,000.
Welding, welding, welding.